So, what were some of your friends, family, or coworkers' reactions to after you had the hair system done for the first time?
I think I got a lot of positive reactions. People realized that something was different about me, but they really couldn't pinpoint exactly what that was. Overall, I got a lot of compliments like, "Hey, you look really good. Did you get a haircut? Oh man, that haircut looks really good." And I was like, "Yep, sure did get a haircut." And there might have been one or two people that really noticed a difference, but they were impressed on how good the overall system looked, and they were impressed that it wasn't my real hair if they could figure it out, or I kind of had to let them know, hey, you're on to something, but you're not quite knowing what it is.
Yeah.
And so kind of had to explain that a little bit, but nothing but positive results from everybody that I've come into contact with. And I did ask people that once we talked about it, like their honest feeling about it,
Yeah.
because I didn't want any sugarcoating if I needed to change something. It's kind of a sensitive area. And they literally said that there's nothing to change. It looks great, and whatever you're doing, keep it up.
Awesome. That's good to hear. Thank you.
You're welcome.